What's up, guys? I'm Paris from Paris. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So today, wish I was coming to you guys with some better news, but unfortunately, I took a hit in the Honda heading home from work. A deer ran out in front of me. Caused some damage, nothing too crazy. The car's not total, but let me let you guys take a look at it. So as you can see, completely damaged the hood. The light is all gone. I took it out. I undid the fender so I could go ahead and get the light out. It was pretty cracked up. Sorry for the dog barking in the back. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, damaged the hood, and the light pushed back into the power steering reservoir, and I believe it's got a crack in it because there's power steering fluid everywhere now. So for the time being, I'm just gonna go get some parts from the junkyard and put them on, and then after, you know, I get it back up and rolling, then we'll focus back on, you know, trying to do some mods to it, add some stuff to it. But yeah, it just sucks, man. Another bump in the road, I guess. But yeah, stay tuned. So I decided to keep this all in the same video. Managed to go to the junkyard, find a couple parts, mismatched paint, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So just for now, to get the car back going, found me a power steering fluid reservoir, a hood, it's purple, and headlight. So I'm gonna put those on right quick and get this thing back on the road. So this is how the car sits. You know, not too bad. Mismatched hood. Fender's still a little dinged, and I went ahead and blacked out the grill. Got some new headlights. You know, it's all right.
Got them purple hearts outside in this bitch. Ever gon' keep your nose dry, my nigga? I'm with it. I know it got you froze, my nigga. I feel it. Some niggas be running away from life. Some niggas cut off the legs. If I was you, I'd be dead.